Hi everyone, my name is Dantonio. I am a student of stress coach training with Eileen Burns, and I am a health kinesiologist along with being an RN. And today we are here to talk a little bit about the 12 days of Christmas calm. So the Christmas season can induce quite a bit of stress for many, if not all of us. There's so much hustle and bustle during this time, shopping and preparing for the day to come, especially having young kids. That can be very tremendously stressful for you. Our kids are now grown, so Christmas has changed quite a bit for us, but it still can be stressful at times, just getting everything together, getting everybody together with all different schedules. So, how can we take this season and make it the best that it can be for us? And that doesn't mean buying things or anything monetarily. It means, what can we do to bring about peace for ourselves, calmness for ourselves, ways to really enjoy the season with our family and friends. So as a health kinesiologist, for those of you who are not familiar with it, what I do is I talk to the body. I actually talk to the body and ask the body what it needs and what it doesn't need. And the body will release things when it's ready to do so. The body wants to be healthy. Your body always wants to be at the best capacity that can be so that you can live your life's purpose on this earth. So with kinesiology, many different things can happen. Balance is brought into the body. People feel a sense of calmness. There's many different things that we can work on together. We can work on belief release, we can work on allergy work, we can work on things from the past, we can work on just things that are trapped within the cells of your body, deep down, which we're not even aware of most of the time. And over time, what these things do when we don't release the stress that we have within our body, it really starts to come out in physical symptoms. So those physical symptoms, it's usually what brings people to me. When they start having those symptoms and they don't really know the cause of it. And many times the medical fields can approach it medically, but not at the level where these beliefs or these feelings are, causing stress for the body, causing unstableness for the body, causing that sense of, just not feeling connected. And when I had first entered this field, my second son had been very ill with fourth degree kidney disease. And talk about a lot of stress. That was probably the biggest time that I endured stress in my life. And at that time, I was just learning how to do it. And I didn't realize how much it could really help the body. So I'm here today because I want you to know that there are things that you can do for yourself. You can help yourself heal. You can help yourself with the different modalities that will help you to bring about that calmness that you're looking for. And that's what we're talking about today. We really want to help you enjoy this season. We want you to feel balanced, joyful, happy. So each of us has something different to offer to you. And what I'd like to offer to you is something that can help you feel balanced and calm in less than 5 minutes. It's a technique that I really share with each of my clients. I actually teach them either during the session or after we're done. And I usually go over that with them each session that we work together, only because it'll help kind of facilitate that person to do it more often than not. And this technique that I show you, you can actually use on your family, your friends, your pets, whomever. I use it on my dog, when she's a little bit unsettled. I use it with her and she can easily calm down. So today I'm offering that free little link for you. So if you click on the link below, you can click on and then you can learn that technique, and hopefully you'll be interested in learning more about the body and how we can work together, because that's the most important thing. When I work with you to help you heal your body. I'm just here as a facilitator. Your body tells me what to do. It's probably the best thing that I've ever learned. It's taken me to a place where I can really see changes in people. So click on today for that link to learn that real simple technique that you can use during the Christmas season and even after. You can see me on my Instagram at KarenM.Dantonio. And my website is blissfulbodies, that's double L.com. So I hope to see you again. Have a wonderful day and enjoy the season. Take care.